Hey Webflow fans, we all know about newly released plugin from Webflow Labs that allows you to get your design from Figma and paste it directly into the Webflow.
That's sweet.
I'm going to give it a try. I have spent around 2 hours reworking my design to be aligned with requirements of the plugin. So when we copy paste, there won't be some issues. But I'm going to talk about those issues and how to transform it. Let's look at the design on the left and right side. So as you can see, these two cars, they've been transformed in, I have removed them actually, because this is floating element, should be positioned with position absolute. And in the plugin, there everything should be used with auto layout. With auto layout, you can have floating elements, or I didn't find a way how to do it. So I have simply removed that. The rest is good. And few cool things about this plugin. One is you can take text and assign different HTML tags like H1, H2. Here you can assign P, here you can assign div or link. So in our case, this is a link. And another cool thing is you can go to settings, plugin settings, and here in the prefix, you can make it custom. And let's say you want custom prefix to be added to every class name. You can do it. We are not going to do it right now. And another cool thing that I'm going to do is text size will be transformed into rems. So this is super awesome. You don't need to worry about this later. So it's already out of the box. Now we can check actually here. Also really cool stuff. The structure, like basic structure, you add a new page and section 2 call 3 call, you can start placing elements into the structure, or you can take and start build from already defined components and then modify them. This is a good way to learn how this plugin works, because you can see the structure when you add it and you can analyze and you can understand how plugin works. I already did it. I added this navigation logo left here and I changed it. One cool thing about moving styles, so look for instance here, if we change it to any other text, and when I click here and I click Option Command C, go here, Option Command V, I paste the exact same style that I have in Figma from one element to another one. This is time saver. You can do this with any element. This will take all the properties of the element and paste it into another one. So that helped me a lot. So when you just add empty section and you want to transform styles of the button or text, you can do it. This saves a lot of time. Another thing, you should really be now thinking about the structure. I have the same now structure as in client first. As you can see, main wrapper, section, hero, padding, global, container, large, hero wrapper. So this is all aligned with client first. Maybe not all the classes, because sometimes we need combo classes and plugin does not support combo classes. Something like if we work with padding top, and then we need combo class padding large, this won't work here, but hopefully you don't have a lot of them here. This FAQ section was prepared to be, this is like another div here, FAQ answer padding and FAQ answer. So I prepared this section for the further updates where we can add interactions here. And hopefully the rest is good. So now let's just start moving this. And before I start moving, I would like to show you that I'm starting with the newly created client first template. So now we're going to just remove this intro, but I'm going to keep page wrapper and main wrapper here. And another thing, I tried before to copy the entire page, and it took a while so to even copy to clipboard. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it one by one. So we have the navbar wrapper here, and I just hit this copy to Webflow button. We wait for a second, it's here. Now we go to our build and we just paste it inside of the page wrapper with Command V, and boom! See, it's already here. This is awesome. Some classes got renamed, which is okay. We can deal with this. As you can see, navbar wrapper got this padding that shouldn't be here because we already have our padding global inside, and padding global was renamed, probably because I already had client first, but this is why we need client first. And as you can see, padding is not transformed into rem, but if we check text, this is one rem here. So this is perfect. Good. Now let's check this, how to bring it back. We have the section hero, and the only thing I need to do is this. Now it is the same as in the design. We have our navbar, and let's move the rest of the page. So we take main wrapper. I'm going to open, and I don't want to copy entire main wrapper. Last time it didn't go well, so we do it one by one. Copy here, and then we go and paste it into our design here, into the build. That's it. It's here. Let's bring another one. Section, logo, copy to Webflow, preparing assets. It's supposed to transform all the images as SVGs, or copy all the images as SVGs. We will see it in a minute if it does. Okay, the image is here. Now let's move. Now we take another section which is quite big and unique with these three images here. So we just go in and copy to Webflow, preparing assets. See, it takes just a bit more time, but not that much. So Command V, section welcome is here with all the icons, and you see there is some. This is really cool. Fit cover, nice. This get position static, we would transform it into absolute. So it doesn't do something like overflow hidden for the card component, but because we have two card components here, now we can simply say overflow hidden. Good. And same you can see here. So the position is correct. The only thing that you need to do in this section is to, this padding global tree is not cool, but you would have to just rename this class, rewrite the class, delete and add. And here we just add overflow hidden and the section exactly as in the design, except this has to have max width, which is good. We can do this later, but let's move to the design, and we take another section here. Good. I'm wondering what happened if we take, let's say, two sections right now. Yeah, you can't do this. You need to click it and then you have to press copy to Webflow, which is fine. But you can put this into one wrapper and then you can move it faster. And look at this. This is some limitations that I see. Section personal, and then it's just cut it. Why it's cut? Let's check. And do I have the same personalization? See, like there is full name personalization, but there is some limit in class name. Then we take this section, copy the Webflow. I already want a hotkey for this. Okay, we can do it manually for sure. And now Command V, section is here. Awesome. Few things. Max width applied, we can remove it. Good. This got this frame. Probably I forgot to rename it, but we can always do it here. And that should be something like FAQ answer. And this will get replaced in every class here, because that was the same class name. Yeah, this is FAQ answer. Good. And the last section is footer. So we take, did I take this section banner here? No. So we have two more. Okay, two more to go. Copy the Webflow. Wow, that was fast. Command V. Good. Last one. And copy to Webflow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seconds. Main wrapper. Command V. Boom. Footer is here. There is some stuff that is not correct, but pretty good result. What if we code like min width, something like RAM? Yeah, it's good. It's actually pretty good. There is some stuff like this one, like this text. Yeah, some classes. So there is something to explore. Maybe we have to clean those and define as P. Let's check this out. So we have this element, and inside I identified this as a P element, but I left this class by subscribing Q. Interesting. So somehow it identified as a new one. So maybe we have to keep this way as P. Maybe wrong. I don't know. I should test it even more. So I think it's pretty robust, and this is pretty awesome result. It went pretty well. Let's check how it works. Scroll down. Everything looking awesome. Now let's try wow, some responsiveness even here. For sure you need to deal with responsiveness here, but it's pretty good start, I would say. This is pretty good start. And one thing to be aware of, so look at this plugin. So this plugin that you can see here, this is Relume Chrome extension that allows you to deal with the classes when you copy paste the same class. So it will not generate a new class like text2, like you can see here. This will remain the text if you copy it from Relume library. But if you run this plugin and you try to use Figma to Webflow plugin from Webflow, this will prevent you to copy elements. First one is fine, but when you try to bring, and this will try to do the logic to prevent renaming, this will fail. So what I did, I just disabled the plugin, and now it works. I can paste all the components from Figma to Webflow. And if you want to use Relume library later, you can refresh your browser and you can enable the plugin, and then it works. Except of that, it works pretty good. You need to do more work in Figma file, but this will save you time in future. Give it a try, make it part of your workflow, and that would speed up your process. And I'm pretty sure we're gonna see more and more people posting ready components that you can take and modify in a way you need for your design, and then use it here from Figma to Webflow. Good. Thank you. I hope you liked this review and that was helpful for you. You learned something new. And if you does, just give a thumb up or leave a comment, whatever you want. Bye guys.